Hello, everybody. Good morning and welcome again. I, Tushar Joshi, welcomes behalf of Omkar English Medium School. And right now, you are seeing Standard Ninth, 14th chapter and exercise number 14.2. And this is the question number 5 to 7. But let me inform you, if previous questions, if you haven't seen, then top side I button is given. On clicking I button, you can check previous videos. And Omkar English Medium School's official channel and official website, if you haven't subscribed, you must visit Omkar School's official website and our official channel. YouTube channel is there, so you can subscribe that channel. You should subscribe. And one more thing, this is Joshi's Online Study Hub. One more channel, that is my personal channel, so that also you should subscribe. Joshi's Online Study Hub, Josh. Link is given in description box. Both link I will upload, so you can go there and you can subscribe. And now, without wasting time, let me start question number fifth that you can see here. Fourth question. 1 minute. Let me show you. See, fourth question. Hello, all students. Because up to third question we have completed. Okay. So this is the fourth question. I'm not going to take this question here right now. Okay, because that is so easy. Let me just explain you what it says. The height of 50 students is given. Okay, 50 students height is given, and that is nearest centimeter have been found to as follows. So this is the height. Okay, this all is the height of 50 students, and you have to represent this data as the class interval 160 to 165 means five class interval is there. Okay, 165 to 170, 170 to 175, like that. Okay, so this kind of class interval you have to make first of all. And this all data means which we have done actually in previous question, so same thing you have to repeat. Okay, now in this question, so for example, see here 161, so 161 will come here in this class interval. Okay, 150, so that will not come in any class interval. So if you have problem, if you have questions, sir, where from where we have to start, then let me tell you, that is the clue. First of all, the lower range means smallest number you have to find. Okay, from this data, here you can see the here 50 data. So which is the smallest number, you tell me. Okay, which is the smallest number? 150, એનાથી કોઈ નાનો છે? 150, 150, I think 150 is smallest here. You can suggest. Okay, 150 is smallest number here. Okay, and which is biggest number? 168. No, 170 here. 172, 172, yes. So okay, 173 is the biggest. So your class interval will see that is going to start from 150. So your class interval should be like this: 150 to 155. Then 155 to 160. Okay, 160 to 165, as well as 165 to 170. 170 to 175. Okay, because 172 or 173, whatever it is, so that will come in this class interval. Okay, and if some number is there, for example, if 160, this kind of number is there now. Okay, so that 160 you have to consider in this class interval 160 to 165. Okay, so now is it clear? Because that question now you people have to solve yourself. See this question. Okay, here see 170 is there, so one class interval is that kind of na, 165 to 170 and 170 to 175. So now you people don't be confused, sir. 170 where we have to write, that will come in 170 to 175. Is it clear? Okay, then this thing because you have to write yourself. What can you conclude about their heights from the table? Okay, conclusion also we have to write. So conclusion we can write that the smallest height, okay, the other shortest height is 150, and the uh, tallest height is 173. And one more conclusion also we can write. Actually see, conclusion is depend on you. Okay, તમે કઈ નજરથી જોવો છો એના ઉપર ડિપેન્ડ છે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ વન કન્ક્લુઝન ફ્રોમ માય સાઇડ that in this particular class interval, for example 165 to 170 you can consider. Okay, in this particular class interval how many students are there, that is also one conclusion. જો આપણે લખ્યું હોય કે 170 to 175, so there are 5 students, so that is also one conclusion, that in this class interval there are 5 students. In particular another class interval there are some particular another students, for example 10 students, 50 students. So conclusion depends upon you કે તમે કઈ નજરથી તેને જુઓ છો. Shortest height, biggest sorry tallest height, that is also one kind of conclusion. So in conclusion part you have to use your common sense. Okay, that is your creativity, what to write. Different kind of conclusions can be there. Okay, is it clear? Okay, now we'll go towards the fifth question, and that you can see here. Today what we complete. Okay, fourth question which is given in homework, and this is the next question. I will try to complete two questions today. Actually I have written here 5 to 7, but I don't think so 5 to 7 we can complete. Then also let us see. Okay, see here fifth question is there. Study was conducted to find the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air. Okay, that is parts per million. See, this is the actually chemistry word ppm. Okay, parts per million. In atmosphere, this particular the atoms and molecules are of any particular gas or any particular thing. Okay, so that we can consider in that we can we have to measure in parts per million. Okay, that is one unit. So this is what that is unit. Okay, parts per million ppm of the certain city. For example CO2, okay, for example, CO2, which is very much dangerous for us. So, how much CO2 that we right now measure na in percentage, that 0.02 percentage of CO2 in air, like that. So, it's a measurement we can do in parts per million. કે આટલા ppm થી વધારે એના જે મોલેક્યુલ્સ હોય તે ના હોવા જોઈએ એરમાં. If they cross that ppm, so that is dangerous for health. So which we calculate in percentage, so the pure measurement, okay, that is ppm, parts per million of certain city, and data obtained for 30 days. 30 દિવસનો ડેટા છે, બરાબર. એન્ડ સલ્ફર ડાયોક્સાઇડ જે છે તેનો ડેટા છે. So that you can see here, this kind of 30 data is there, and this kind of group we have to make 0 to 0.04. Then again, now you tell me uh, which our first step should be there. Now I just want to make class interval. How can I decide from where I have to start? Yes, first we will find the lowest value, and I think that is 0.01. Is there anywhere? 0.01. This is the 0.01. Yes. Oh, yes. Okay. Here in fifth, third, fourth, fifth row. Yes, there one more 0.01 here. Then actually we have to start from zero. Okay, because here it is written from zero we have to start. So I will write here 0 to 0.04. 0 also you can write, otherwise 0.00 also you can write. Okay, because all are same. 0.042, 0.08, and now up to where, up to which value we have to write. So for that we have to find the maximum value, that is I think 0.22. Yes, that is 0.22. Okay, then 0.08 to 0.12, 0.12 to 0.16, 0.16 to 0.20, and mm, 1 minute. That 0 to 0.04, 4 to 8, 12, 16. Okay, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. Now, this is the class interval. Okay, here you have to write this is class interval, and here you have to write tally marks. Okay, and here frequency. Okay, now we have to count. That is so easy. Now do this thing I'm doing here, and without seeing here you have to calculate in your page, in your book. Okay, because this is time consumptive and little bit boring also, so it will take some time. Now 3, so 0 to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. હાર્ડ પડે ને કેવી રીતે આમ કરવું છે ને, આમ 0.03 તો ક્યાં આવશે, તો કે અહીંયા, એટલે આમ એક લાઈન કરવાની, પછી આવી રીતે 0.08 તો અહીંયા આવશે એટલે એક લાઈન કરવાની. હા, એમાંય થાય. બહુ ફરક ન પડે, તો જેને જેવી રીતે ફાવતું હોય એ રીતે કરી શકે, એનાથી કઈ ફરક ન પડે. આપણે જેમ કે હાલો આ વખતે એવી રીતે કરી, બધું એક જ થાય, બરાબર. ઓકે, 0.03, so that will come here, then 8 here, again 8 here, 9, then 0.04. You can write properly. Okay, and 17. તો આવી રીતે તમે કરો ફટાફટ અને તમે મને કહો તો કેટલા થાય છે. Then 16. 16 will come here. 5, 2, 6, 18, 20, 11, 8, 12, 13. મારે થોડુંક ઉપર નીચે લખાઈ ગયું. Okay, you tell me finally how many frequencies are there in which interval, because I haven't made table, so that it is not properly I have written. When you complete, you tell me. These things are now so easy so that I'm not doing properly because it's proper video actually I have made already. And we have learned these things. Fast, if somebody complete, then you tell me. Before you people, I have calculated these things. Actually, I don't wanted to do this, but you people haven't replied, so that I have calculated these things. See, a total 30, and this is the frequency contribution. Hello, are you there? Hello, can you listen me? Then why you people are not replying? I have told you that these things you have to find. Why? Because it is so easy. And still any single students haven't replied. Any single student haven't replied that which is frequency. How many which frequencies are there? Now here see that is 30 frequency total and frequency distribution here you can see. Okay, so first question is completed. Now second, for how many days was the concentration of sulfur dioxide more than point 11 parts per million? More than 0.11. For how many days? 0.11 થી વધારે કેટલા છે? That you have to count. 12 to 16. Okay, that is more than point 11. Tell me how many? How many are? Yes, 8 are there. Okay, 8 are there. Why? Because up to here, if you see, up to here, that is 0.11. Okay, up to here that is 0.11, and from here that is started 0.12 and all. Okay, so here 2 you can see, here 4 you can see, and here 2. Okay, so that is how many? 8 are there. Okay, so here your second answer will be 8. 8 days there are more than 0.11 parts per million sulfur dioxide. Okay, so now is it clear what we people have completed here, what we have done? Is it clear? Okay, now three coins were tossed 30 times. Each time the number of head occurring was noted down as follow. Prepare frequency distribution table and data given above. So easy. Okay, now can you make this table for this? Can you make this table? Which frequency will you take? Class interval? Which class interval will you take? No, not number of. I'm not asking that. What I'm saying, 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 0 to 2, 2 to 4. Which class interval will you take? Hmm? 0 means like this only you have to write. See, because here 0, minimum is 0, okay, and maximum is 3. Then here you have to write 0, then 1, 2, and 3. Okay, easily you can make its distribution table. Okay, બહુ easy છે ભાઈ, થઈ જશે કે? હા, I'm asking to everybody, can you do this? Fourth and sixth question in homework. Okay, for question number fourth and sixth in homework. Now seventh question, value of pi up to 50 decimal places are given. Up to 50 decimal places mean how many total places are there? Anybody can suggest me? For pi, how many total numbers are there? Yes, infinite. Okay, infinity many numbers are there because it will not complete. It will never complete. About this we have already discussed in our some previous class. Okay, so up to 50 decimal that is given. Okay, now make a frequency distribution the digits from 0 to 9 after the decimal point. Means digits 0 to 9 you have to write. Here we have done now 0, 1, 2, 3. So same thing you have to write here. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 like that. Okay. And now what are the most and the least frequency occurring digit? બહુ easy બરાબર કે સૌથી વધારે વખત કયા નંબર્સ આવે છે and which numbers come for at least time, સૌથી ઓછી વખત કયા નંબર્સ આવે છે, that you have to write. Will you do this seventh question? Okay, then now it's enough. It's now I will not give you any more. Question number seventh and as well as six. Let me write here your homework. Uh, Exercise. Okay, exercise 14.2. Question number 4. 5 we have completed. Then 6 and 7. These three questions. Okay, these three questions you have to submit me. And one more thing, let me tell you, if still you people are not completing your books, then you complete parallelly because when you come to school, now as you also know, these cases are increasing. So I cannot give you any kind of promise, but when you come to school, you have to come with book, that is final. And one day you have to come to school, that is also final, because corona will not stay as it is. Okay. It is probable that in January, beginning of January, you can come here. Okay, that is probable. Students phone karta, parents phone karta mane કે sir, that is declared that by 23rd schools are going to open. Then we come to school from 23rd. એટલે મેં એવું કીધું હતું કે no, you cannot come to school. When I intimated to you, then and then you have to come to school. તો બધાએ કીધું કે સર પણ હવે તો બધી સ્કૂલ સ્ટાર્ટ થાય છે, ફાઇનલ છે, ગવર્મેન્ટે કહી દીધું છે, then why not? So at that time I said you that this is corona, nobody can predict. Okay, corona and share market. Okay, corona and share market, these two things nobody can predict. Okay, then now we are going to complete this session, and if you have doubt, then you can ask me. Okay, thank you.